Welcome to Ask and Learn.
Hello students, according to the given question we have to find out the test statistic value. So from the given information in the A bit we can write the hypothesis H0 such that P1 minus P2 is equal to 0 and alternative HA such that P1 minus P2 greater than 0. Now in the B bit we can define P1 is denoted as the proportion of CSUN function freshmen live on campus and P2 is denoted as the proportion value of CSUN seniors live on campus. So now this is for B bit. For the C bit here, if the null hypothesis is true, then we have Z formula, that is P1 cap minus P2 cap minus of P1 minus P2 divided by square root of P cap into 1 minus P cap into 1 by N1 plus 1 by N2. So here if null hypothesis is true, that means P1 minus P2 value will be 0. So then we have the formula which is equal to P1 cap minus P2 cap divided by square root of P cap into 1 minus P cap into 1 by N1 plus 1 by N2. So this is the Z value. Now in the D bit here, the success of the first sample from the given data will be equal to 29.4 by 100 into 170, the total of this, which is equal to 49.98. So approximately 50 is the success of first sample, and similarly for success of the second sample will be equal to 20 into 175 by 100, which is equal to 35. So here proportion value will be P1 cap is 0.2941 and P2 cap is given as 0.20. So then the subtraction, the difference between P1 cap minus P2 cap will be 0.2941 minus 0.20, which is equal to the value 0.0941. Now in the E bit we have to construct the Z value. So in the E bit, according to above formula, by substituting, the P cap value is N1 into P1 cap plus N2 into P2 cap divided by N1 plus N2. By substituting we get 0.2464. So then Z is equal to, difference is 0.0941 divided by square root of 0.2464 into 1 minus 0.2464 into 1 by 175 plus 1 by 170. So by calculating we get Z value will be equal to 2.0256. In the F bit here, P value will be equal to 0.0214, which is less than alpha, that is 0.05. So if P value is less than alpha, in this case we reject the null hypothesis, that is H0. Now in the G bit we can conclude that we reject the null hypothesis H0. So therefore CSUN freshmen are more likely to live on campus than that are CUSN seniors. I hope you find the video useful. Thank you.